Hi everyone, wanted to do my first unboxing. Very eager to use this cutting knife I have. So this unboxing is for the Syska Smart LED. If you look closely, this is a Amazon Echo Google Home connected smart bulb. So let's open it up and see what it has. The sweet sound of unboxing. Keep this aside. Okay, let's see what's in the box. Keep this aside. This is the Syska Smart LED. It says it is 7 watts RGB light, needs the Syska Smart Home app to control, and you can do scheduling, you can create groups, you can control via the app. So looking at the specification here, this is 7 watts, it's a LED bulb, and it can change colors. So, and it also works with Alexa. So let's open it up.
I can't connect to the public Wi-Fi. You may need to update your connection. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
Let's take it out. So this is how the bulb looks. Pretty straightforward, but pretty powerful. I have one already, so I just ordered this for my kitchen. Take it out. This is the bulb. Nothing fancy here, they just have the logo. And keep this aside for now. Then there is some material about how to set it up. That's about it. So that was my first unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much, guys. So this is the Syska LED.